Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to start a streak on Snapchat. This is for the year 2025. First thing I want to do is going to be going to App Store and basically making sure our application of Snapchat is going to be up to date. Alright? So once you're going to be on this one, simply type in here Snapchat. That will be as an A, and this is how it should look like. And as you see right there, there is a latest version for update that has just been today. However, my update version or my version right now is already good enough for the tutorial for today's video. So I'm not going to update it for it now because I don't want to take much of your time. On your end, please update it to the latest version for this to work out. Either way than that, I want to open my Snapchat right now. Give me a second. So open it right there. So making sure it's going to be open. And streak is going to be by your messages. And meaning right there is in how often you talk to someone, how often you send someone a snap, and then how often they send a snap to you. It's like a back and forth motion of snaps, and that what creates a tweet or a streak. So, for example, this one, Joker, I sent Joker a snap, and then Joker sent me back a snap. That's one streak already. So, you're curious how to start one? Basically, under Joker, I'm gonna start sending a snap right there. Click right here and click send, and that's gonna be one streak already if Joker respond with another snap. All right, and basically that's how you start a snap for Snapchat. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.